Welcome again, guys, to my YouTube channel where you will master cloud and FinOps. Please press the bell icon and subscribe the channel for more updates and details about the upcoming videos. So today we are going to talk about the FinOps tool which organization need to adopt for executing the FinOps in their cloud ecosystem. So any organization who need to implement the FinOps or who want to adopt the FinOps, they have multiple options. Like they can go with the native tools which our cloud providers provide. There are third party tools available in the market. Sometime the organization is open to adopt the open source tools, and most of the time we see that organization develop their own tools. It could be via native dashboard or native workbooks in Azure or Power BI dashboard. So first we will discuss about the cloud provider tools. So each of the method or each of the way is having their own pro and cons. So when any organization adopt the cloud provider tools, the biggest advantage is the cost. So these cloud provider tools are available either at the very low cost or at no cost. But the major complication or major challenge is when organization is having multi-cloud environment. So these cloud provider tools have the differences in granularity, grouping, summarization, or the discount as well. So for example, AWS method for projecting or demonstrating the KPIs is different than the Azure or GCP, right? So in this case, if customer is having a single cloud provider, these tools would be beneficial. But as soon as custom organization grow and they adopt the multi-cloud, these cloud provider tools provide the different reports or different ways to project, or to be precise, the visualize the different KPIs. So in this way, for such kind of organization, they decide to move to the third party tools. So these third party tools again are specialized for services like Kubernetes. And when the organization is having multi-cloud environment, these third-party tools would be helpful because they provide the common view across the hyperscalers. The key disadvantage of these tools is the cost. So as most of these tools like Aptio, or to be precise, Cloudability or Cloud Checker, the Dome9, these tools are available in the market, which organizations are adopting nowadays, but they are paying certain percentage of their overall cloud cost. So these tools are predominantly available as a SaaS service, and when organization is adopting these tools, they have to pay certain percentage of their overall cloud consumption. It could be 5% or 10%. It depends on the negotiation with the vendor. Now coming to the internal tooling. So most of the time I see that internal tooling could be based on the Tableau basis or Power BI basis dashboards or native dashboards, like you can say Azure Workbook or Azure Dashboard. Sometime AWS also provide the quick site service which organization is adopting to develop their own dashboards, and similarly the GCP billboard as well. So organization can develop these basically organization can develop their own dashboard using these native services. So there is a very thin line between cloud provider tools and internal tooling. In internal tooling, sometime we see that customers are using cloud provider native services to develop their own tools, and sometime purely independent like Power BI or Tableau dashboard. So with respect to internal tooling, over the time, as soon as the organization grow or their data grow, the quality of these internal tooling need to be reassessed time to time. And second important area is the skill gap. So each organization has to ensure the right skill available within their organization or within their system to ensure that right skills are available to maintain and further develop these tools. So these are the three type of tools or methods available for any organization to start the FinOps journey. Based on my experience, I would never recommend to go for third party tools at a initial stage. So the reason is no organization want to invest in the third party tool even before they explore their native tooling or their internal tooling, right? So in my opinion, the initial level of maturity, till the time the organization will have initial maturity, they can go ahead with the native tools or their internal developed tools. As soon as they will attain the certain maturity, they can move to the third party tools which will provide more granular reports. Sometime organization also adopting the third party vendor who will provide the complete managed FinOps services. At this point of time or at this particular stage, organization doesn't bother about the tooling. So they outsource the third party vendors or partners who will take care the complete FinOps, and they will sign the KPI with that partner. So it would be moreover the long term consulting engagement where partner will decide that which tool will be used for FinOps, and they will provide end-to-end managed FinOps services. So via this video, I wanted to convey the different methods or different tools which organization can adopt for FinOps, and that's all. So feel free to ask any question in the comment section. And if you like the content, please press the like button and do not forget to subscribe and share this video with your friends and colleagues who want to learn FinOps. So stay tuned with me for upcoming video and have a wonderful day ahead.